Time here at home, the United Way of Roanoke Valley partnered with several organizations this MLK Day to promote safety against COVID-19 as they say it continues to pose a threat to our communities. WFXR's Amanda Lee joined one group as they visited neighborhoods in Northwest Roanoke. She joins us live now. Amanda, you visited the neighborhoods with them today, the Alpha Kappa Alpha members in Roanoke. What did you see there?
Yeah, Drew, the members of the Beta Chi Omega chapter went to different homes today, dropping off information on COVID-19. They say they want to make sure underrepresented groups are informed as cases continue to rise.
We are actually going around in our local neighborhood and educating on COVID, what the response should be, how you can get assistance, and providing actual COVID tests.
The Beta Chi Omega chapter of AKA, Jack and Jill of Roanoke, and students from Community High School all banded together with United Way to hit different neighborhoods in Northwest and Southeast Roanoke, informing community members about COVID-19 vaccinations and testing.
The marginalized society, those that are often forgotten, those that are, sometimes lower income, some of the elderly as well are often, not able to get to social media or, see everything on the news.
According to the latest report from the Roanoke and Allegheny Health Districts, there have been nearly 800 new cases of COVID-19 since the beginning of the month. The Virginia Department of Health doesn't report flu data, but says the level of influenza-like activity across the Commonwealth remains high.
It's flu season, there's RSV going around, there's also COVID. It's so important, especially in communities that are most vulnerable, that don't typically get the information, for them to be able to protect themselves.
VDH says the bivalent booster released last fall continues to show strong protection against the currently circulating strains of the virus, like Omicron variants and subvariants some people might not know about.
The more information they receive, the more facts that they have, the better choices they will be able to make for their own health.
Volunteers say the Martin Luther King holiday, when many are home, was the perfect time to drop the materials they need right at their doorstep.
It was important on this service day to be able to honor Martin Luther King Jr. by doing what he always said to do, to give back.
The latest numbers from VDH were reported last week. It shows 20 more hospitalizations from the week before and 14 more deaths. Reporting live in the newsroom, Amanda Lee, WFXR News.
All right, Amanda, and the Virginia Department of Health is expected to update those COVID-19 case numbers again in the coming days.